Now that we have thought about our topic, it is time to think about our draft. As you plan and draft your persuasive text, be sure to clearly state your issue and where you stand on it, support your opinion with convincing evidence such as facts, figures, quotes, and examples, use action verbs and adverbs to create a strong message, write a conclusion that summarizes your position. It helps to set goals for our writing so we know what we need to include. Let's look at our setting goals slide. Be sure your persuasive text includes a clear opinion statement, details such as facts, statements, and examples that are specific and relevant to your opinion, adverbs that answer the questions when, how, and where, prepositional phrases, and a strong conclusion that sums up the writer's point of view. On the next slide, you will find out more about your next assignment.